नमस्कार महाराष्ट्र माझा. आपण पाहत आहात आपलं लोकप्रिय चॅनल मायराणी आयराणी न्यूज चॅनल. आजच्या बातमीपत्रामध्ये मी आपलं मनापासून स्वागत करत आहे. नंदुरबार मतदारसंघाचे खासदार गोवल पाडवी यांनी संसदेमध्ये नंदुरबार विषयी विचारलेले प्रश्न. सविस्तर बातमी अशी, हिवाळी अधिवेशन संसदेचं आता पार पडत आहे. यात विविध विषयांवरती चर्चा होताना आपल्याला दिसत आहे. त्यातच नंदुरबार जिल्ह्याचं ॲडव्होकेट गोवलदादा पाडवी यांनी संसदेमध्ये युरिया खताविषयी तसेच ग्रामीण भागातील 4G नेटवर्कला 5G नेटवर्कमध्ये ट्रान्सफर लवकरात लवकर कसं करता येईल आणि त्या करण्यासाठी काय करावे लागेल याविषयी सविस्तर प्रश्न विचारला. प्रश्न विचारत असताना त्यांनी आपल्या नंदुरबार जिल्ह्यातील विविध विषयांवरती विचारलेले प्रश्न याच्यातून आपल्याला प्रत्यक्षरित्या दिसत आहेत. गोवलदादा पाडवी यांनी अखेर काय विचारले आहे ते आपण या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून पाहू शकता.
I want to ask just one question. Only 41,455 crores is net cash outgo, while a massive 90,812 crore is book adjustment. This raises the classic question asked by fiscal experts. If ministries had such large savings earlier, why did they overproject their budget estimates in the first place? Is it because of increasing the negotiating power? Chairman, sir, I just want to ask one question directly about the SDG, which is about the telecommunication, the funds allocated for the telecommunications. In my constituency, Chairperson, sir, there are 4G towers. I have requested an upgradation of 5G towers. और वहाँ पे हिली एरिया, माउंटेन एरिया आता है और वहाँ पे नेटवर्क नहीं आता है. नेटवर्क नहीं आएगा तो गवर्नमेंट के जो स्कीम्स रहते हैं, बेनिफिट्स रहते हैं, उसका लाभ कैसे ले पाएंगे. इसलिए आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग दैट द 4G अपग्रेडेशन, 5G अपग्रेडेशन शुड बी कंप्लीटेड इन अ टाइम बाउंड मैनर, एज वेल एज द भारत नेट, which has started a project called BBNL. BBNL are absolutely not paying attention in my constituency. So I'm requesting the government through you that BBNL should be taken away and BSNL should be handed over all the works. I want to talk about the fertilizers. Sir, the uploaded supplementary demand document clearly shows a massive additional provision of 11,000 crores for PNK fertilizers and 7,525 crores for imported urea subsidies. Yet the honorable chairperson, on the ground of Nandurbar, farmers are standing in line at 4 a.m. in the morning and often returning empty-handed. I request the government that release of urea stocks in Maharashtra should be expedited, as well as aspirational districts such as my Nandurbar district should be given priority. Gram level centers and farmer cooperatives should be, the distribution center should be made at the central focus of it. The real-time stock monitoring through mobile apps and transparency portals should be initiated. Regarding higher education in the supplementary demand for grants, it has been mentioned that a significant 2,023.25 crore allocation for PMONOS, that is One Nation, One Subscription under higher education, is recommended. I strongly urge this government inclusion of Nandurbar in the priority rollout of PMONS, as our tribal students have almost zero access to high quality journals, and establishment of a national tribal university in Nandurbar to serve Maharashtra, Gujarat as well as Madhya Pradesh state. There cannot be a Viksit Bharat without considering the Adivasi in the Bharat, so that should be considered. Regarding the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, there are n number of villages. The n number of villages are converted into hamlets, which are called padas in Marathi. So therefore, Awas Yojana has not yet reached to them. That should be increased at the earliest. Yes. Regarding health and family welfare, it has been mentioned that there is a capital funding to complete all the new hospitals quickly. Regarding the hospitals, I want to just make a request that the hospital and the medical college is divided by a road. There should be a skywalk in the middle, and the funds should be allocated for that. Regarding the irrigation project, the Tapi-Bura irrigation project, 800 crores have been allocated by the state government. I request the central government also to give certain more funds. Therefore, the project can be completed and the drought situation in my Nandurbar can be resolved. Regarding roads and national highway, I'll just complete just 2-3 more points, Chairperson, sir. There are a lot of accidents happening in Kondaibari Ghat in Sakari Tehsil, and as well as Shewadi Fata.
No, please.
There is an urgent need of high flyovers there, so kindly consider that. There's a black spot there. Also, I would request that there should be a new highway, 4-lane highway that should be constructed from Shada to Bhadgaon to Dediapada to Gujarat kindly consider the new national highway project. In the end, I
Rajkumar-
just want to say
Shri Rajkumar
that
Ruth.
just one last line I want to
Yes,
say.
please.
One last line that ये पूरक अनुदान नहीं है, ये सरकार की नाकामी का पूरक प्रमाण है, और इसलिए मैं सरकार से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि बजट में कुछ अलग प्रावधान दिए जाए और
धन्यवाद।
एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट, ट्राइबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा दिया जाए। थैंक यू।